It's very important here at Bath Audi that we have 24-hour, 7 days a week surveillance system on site. The fact that we can have remote access enables myself to be able to log in from home and from any of our other sites here. That enables us to be able to view other sites from here and also view the other sites at home again. The system here has helped Bath Audi with not only the visual deterrent of the cameras and the signage on site, but also the fact that it's a good tool for health and safety, and the fact that we're able to see the site all day long and review images from previous occurrences during the day. The cameras fitted on site here are a digital megapixel high definition camera that gives extremely good visual images and the ability to be able to read a number plate recognition. Their facility to be able to dial in, act upon any issues very quickly and cutting out any engineer time on site.